Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to unlock the function to move our icons and widget in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. You want to move your icons, but you can't. They are locked. So how to unlock them? You can go from the shortcut there, but we need to go to the settings and home screen app. Here it is, lock home screen layout. We just need to uncheck this little box. What does it do? Prevent items on the home screen from being removed or repositioned. So now we can move our icons and our widgets however we want. Let's go back to how it was. And now we can move whatever we want. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.